Welcome to the STEM Achievers Program at Tallahassee State College. This 4-week adventure is where curiosity takes flight and innovation comes to life. This engaging program focuses on middle school students and introduces them to virtual reality, 3D printing, creative technology design, and programming and coding. This immersive summer experience empowers students through hands-on technology and personal growth.
In 10 years, I can see myself being in Berkeley College trying to major in architecture, and I got 3 plans. My first plan is architect. If that fails, I got engineering, and if that fails, I got game design.
Now, the STEM Achievers Program celebrates 10 years in existence. We continue to shape the next generation of creators, thinkers, and leaders. While on campus, students are paired with college mentors. Classroom instructors and mentors work together to educate our middle school students on a variety of skills, both inside and outside of STEM subject areas. Now, as Verizon Innovative Learning celebrates 10 years in existence, we continue to shape the next generation of creators, thinkers, and leaders.
Someone already graduated college by then. And I think I'll be more mature.
We focus on technology and professional development. These are designed to spark imagination and ignite each student's potential. Let's start with technology. Blast off with Immersive Media. Here is where students learn augmented and virtual reality to dream up full solutions to real-world challenges.
Programming the rubbers so that I can go through the course for the Mario Super Bros.
With digital product innovation, students explore 2D and 3D design. They bring their ideas to life with cutting-edge 3D printing. With artificial intelligence and robotics, students explore how to solve global problems, like programming autonomous vehicles or cleaning the plastic from our oceans. Technological literacy is so important in today's world. The goal of this program is to give students the opportunity to have a quality interaction with education and technology. For the professional development of our students, we focus on design thinking. This is where we have the mindset of an entrepreneur. Students set goals, prototype their ideas, pitch their vision, and collaborate to bring their big ideas to life. Mindfulness is also a part of our daily activities. Students discover the power of focus, self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and other skills that help them thrive in the classroom and beyond. Each summer, we accept 175 middle school students from Leon, Gadsden, and Wakulla counties. These students work together on innovative, forward-thinking concepts utilizing cutting-edge technology. Our program's goal is to develop a well-rounded student. We take at least 3 field trips each summer so students are aware of the treasures that are right here in our local community. This summer, we visited the Florida State University Innovation Hub, the FAMU College of Pharmacy, and the Challenger Learning Center. Our goal is to give students confidence in learning new and unfamiliar technology.
First, we have Mr. Liam Hale.
The STEM Achievers Program isn't just any other summer camp. It's a launching pad for your future. So get ready to dream big, dive deep, and design what's next. Welcome to the STEM Achievers Program, where your journey begins now.